Unit 2, Food. Chapter 11, Journey of Food and Eating Together. Food comes from plants and animals. But most of the food comes from plants. Let us see, how does food reach us? A farmer is a person who grows food for us. He prepares his land by plowing. After plowing, he sows the seeds or plant saplings. Do you know? If there were no farmer, then we cannot get food. Then he irrigates his crops. Later, when the plants grow, he adds manures and fertilizers. He also sprays weedicides to protect his crops from weeds and insects. When the crops ripen, he harvests them. Then he separates grain from husk. This process is called winnowing. The separated grains and other food items are filled in sacks and taken to mandi on tractors, trucks, etc. Then they are purchased by the stockist from the farmers. Farmers are paid for their grains. The stockist sells them to the retailers or shopkeepers. The shopkeeper sells grains and other food items to us. Finally, our mother cooks food and we eat together in our family. Different types of food. We eat different types of food. We eat cereals like wheat, rice, maize, barley. We eat pulses like arhar, rajma, chana, urad. We also eat fruits, vegetables. We use some food items to add flavor to our food. They are called spices: turmeric, cloves, cumin, black pepper. We also extract oil from the seeds of various plants like sunflower oil from sunflower seeds, mustard oil from mustard seeds. Do you know, spices can be identified from their smell. Eating together on occasions. We meet a large number of people on various occasions like festivals, birthdays, weddings, parties, etc. On such occasions, a large number of people eat food together. The meals are prepared on a large scale in open grounds, community centers, banquet halls, etc. Langar is a free meal served in a gurudwara. Only vegetarian food is prepared in a common kitchen. People of any caste, religion, status, etc. can eat langar. Many people prepare food, serve it and clean the area. This service is called seva. People eating langar in a gurudwara. A lot of people gather together to bless the newlywed couple. Many different kinds of food is prepared. People enjoy food and drinks offered to them. Mostly, food is prepared in pandals, banquet halls or community centers. People eating food in a wedding. Some people also organize bhandaras on religious occasions. They are organized in a temple or outside the temple. Anyone can eat food from the bhandaras. Bhandara inside a temple, bhandara outside a temple. Midday meal. A midday meal scheme has been started by the Indian government in government schools. It is served to give full nutrition and balanced diet to the children belonging to poor families. Through this midday meal scheme, many poor families have sent their children to government schools for education. Midday meal in a school. Words power. Harvest, to cut fully grown crops. Stockist, a person who buys food grains and materials from farmers. Pandals, open space covered by tents on special occasions. Balanced diet, a diet containing all the nutrients. Chapter backup. Most of the food comes from plants. A farmer is a person who grows food for us. The process of separation of grains from husk is called winnowing. The shopkeeper sells grains and other food items to us. The food items that add flavor to our food are called spices. Langar is a free meal served in a gurudwara. A midday meal scheme has been started by the Indian government in government schools.